Mazdaspeed Protege turbo parts. Braided line is the oil feed. Coolant feed and return lines that go to the turbo. This is the T that goes in the back of your block for oil feed. This is the coolant elbow that hooks up to the coolant feed and return. This is a coolant line that goes to the back of your block. Your oil cooler. This is optional if you want to run it or not. In my car, I made a custom-made oil cooler setup for it. This is the factory oil cooler that came with the Mazdaspeed. Then here is the downpipe, oil drain, the bolts for the feed and return coolant. There's one here, one at the back. It's the Turbo Smart wastegate actuator. The crack that I mentioned is right there. There's the turbo itself. Let's listen to shaft play. There's literally no play at all. There you go. I'm gonna get all these parts packed up and shipped out tomorrow. Thank you.